Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music Radio Creative. In this video, I will show you advanced audio sync techniques for Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in and you'll see some audio I've recorded here. You notice how it's quite out of sync. Advanced audio sync in Adobe Premiere Pro. So a lot going on there. First and foremost, the most important tip, do some claps at the start of your video so you can easily synchronize audio to what you see on the screen. But first of all, we need to get everything lined up and let's listen. So on solo, this is the camera audio. Advanced audio sync, which you'll see is completely out of sync. And then if we solo this is my condenser microphone. Advanced audio sync. Actually, that's slightly better sync, but it's still not 100% in sync. So how do we go about doing this? Well, first of all, we'll start off by hitting Command or Control A to select everything, right click, look for Synchronize in the menu, and then we check Audio Track Channel 1 and click OK. When we do this, Adobe will magically synchronize both tracks, but you can still see they're not quite in sync. They're okay, and this is good. It's synchronized both audio as best as it could, but I'm going to show you an extra tip to make sure you get everything dialed in exactly as it should be. So first of all, we'll unlink the camera audio from the video track by hitting Command L or Control L on PC, and then we'll delete the original camera audio and stick with this condenser microphone, which I'm going to budge up to audio track 1. Let's play. Way out of sync, but what I can do is I can look for my first clap, which is happening just about there. I think that's where my hands combine. And then I'll go ahead and try and move this along, maybe zooming in a little bit so I can get some accuracy. And you'll see, okay, that's just about it. Oh, I cannot get it exact. That's just about right. I mean, it's going to look good now. Advanced audio sync. I mean, that does not look too bad, does it? But I didn't like the fact when I was trying to do my advanced audio sync, as I move it back and forth, it kind of jumps on my little playhead there. It doesn't get exactly where it needs to be. That's because we're working in video frames and not audio samples. And there's an easy way to switch to audio samples in Premiere Pro. On your timeline, just right click and then show the audio time units. If you're enjoying what you see so far, do throw a like on this video and subscribe for more stuff just like this. And now, as if by magic, we can scroll along in much more detail here and find the exact moment. That's the exact moment in the frame where the clap happens. And now I should be able to look at this, move along in samples, and I should be able to get this right bang on the playhead like so. And that is called an advanced audio sync. And now when we zoom out and play back, you'll see how well the audio matches what's happening on the screen. Advanced audio sync in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that is exactly how you do an advanced sync without using video frames and making sure you're using audio samples. You'll get everything bang on and as accurate as you possibly can. Leave a comment down below if you've got a question on this technique. Also, throw a like and subscribe if you found something helpful in this video. Go and share it with someone else who's having sync problems. And watch the video showing on your screen somewhere now so you can dive into more tips and tricks for audio inside Adobe Premiere Pro.